Good morning, troops. It's look at the weather now. It's lovely, isn't it? Look, really quite nice. Anyway, stayed in this little bed and breakfast last night. Hey, Westmore bed and breakfast in our Alness. Lovely, really nice little people. Really nice people. Really nice little bed and breakfast. Made you feel really welcome and nice little hearty breakfast in the morning. And lovely, really nice little place. Yeah, I recommend it. Westmore in Alness. If you're going that way, stop in. Lovely people who own it. Really genuine people. You know, lovely. Really good facilities, actually nice. I slept like a dog. And they've got a quite friendly dog as well called Rusty, who's rather taken quite a sexual interest in my left leg. And I said to him, I said, look, just all we need to do is have a drink together and we can lay in the back garden and we can lay there and have a little cigarette together afterwards. But not in the first thing in the morning. I said, because it's too early and I'm too tired. So we're going to meet again. We've swapped messages, and I'm going to send him some bonios. Lovely little thing. Rusty the dog, quite a famous little dog that actually. Anyway, so we're off to Aberdeen now. Now, some good news, my friends. I managed to sort of work on the bike last night and this morning, and I've managed to sort of like get the forks pretty sorted. So I'm not going to call my brother out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start heading back to Aberdeen. We're going to take it nice and easy. Well, we're taking it nice and easy anyway, to be truthful here. But we're going to take it nice and easy, and we're just going to pop along and see how far because the weather at the moment is going to be quite nice today and tomorrow, but then Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday it's going to be chucking it down, and we're going to see how far we get before these forks start to think about disintegrating. So then I can always, if it gets to the point, I can call my brother out with a trailer and come pick me up. But I'm going to try and get home, try and get back to his place, so I can spend a few days with my brother and sister-in-law and the kids and that, which would be nice. All right, guys. Anyway, speak to you later on. Toodaloo!